Today, I'm going to show you an AI automation that you can sell to businesses for $5,000. This AI automation is going to save them hours of work, and it's really going to boost their productivity. So basically what this AI automation is an email categorization system. And today, I'm going to walk you through how to set it up and how to use it. But first off, I'm going to walk you through how everything works. So right here in step 1, this is where we collect all the emails. So if we double click on this trigger right here, every 2 minutes, this trigger will go off and it's going to check all their emails. And it's going to see if the email already has a label. And if it does have a label, it's not going to add one of these labels to it. And guys, as you see right here, these are all the labels that this AI automation is going to automatically add to all their Gmails to save them hours and boost their productivity. And on step 2 right here, it's going to extract all the email data. And then it's going to send all the data to the AI agent. And after it sends it to the AI agent, it's going to analyze it right here using OpenAI. And it's going to list all the emails. And then for step 3, it's going to see if the label exists. And if the label doesn't exist, it's going to add a new label to it. And then it just loops back to the beginning. And guys, this AI agent is going to take a while to set up. But if you want to skip all the hard work of setting it all up, join my group, first link in the description down below. Starting at $7, you'll be able to get this AI automation plus all my other AI automations and more get added every single day. Well, now I'm going to show you how to set this all up. So if you join my group, you should find a file that says like email categorization.json. So once you download it, press these 3 dots in the top right, and press import from file, and then just import the whole entire workflow just like so. And guys, it's going to be super simple to set up after it's all built out. So to set it all up first, we got to connect the emails. So double click on this email right here, and I already have an account connected, but you guys would probably have to create a new credential and then sign in with Google just like so, and then select the account that you want to receive all the emails from. So I'm just going to select this one, for example, and then select this. There should be 6 other buttons that you got to select, so select those all, and then press continue. Now that you added your email, double click on this one right here. It should automatically select your email, and now we got to double click on all 4 of these as well, just like so. Let's just press all these, and now all the email sections are set up, and now we got to add the OpenAI, and this is actually super simple as well. So go to platform.openai.com, and now that we're on this page, go up here in the top left and press the search button and search billing, and then click on this button right here. And now guys, every few times it analyzes an email, it's going to spend around 1 cent. So I say add $10 or so, but if you get a whole lot of emails every single day, like I say probably 100 plus, you may want to add $100. I mean, $10 has lasted me like weeks, honestly, but just do whatever you need. So to add money, just press add a credit balance right here. And now that you added your credit balance, go over here to the API keys, and then in the top right, press create new secret key, and you can name this whatever you want. I'm just going to call it email AI automation. And for the project, you may have to create a new project, but I'm just going to select this one, then create the new secret key. And guys, do not share the secret key with anyone, because if they get a hold of this, they'll be able to spend all of your credits. So do not share it with anyone, but copy the secret key, then head back to end-to-end, and double click on this OpenAI right here. And after that, create new credentials, then paste in the API key right here and press save. And now everything's fully set up, and I'm going to show you guys how this works. And it's actually going to be super cool. So to start off, you got to go up here in the top right and turn on the workflow. Now that the workflow is turned on, it should start giving labels to all of our recent emails. And as you see right here, the whole entire workflow is working. It's just repeating on and on until it labels all these emails. And as you see right here, all the last 20 emails have been labeled. And if we refresh this right here, we're going to see how much it actually spent. And it seems like it barely even spent like a cent, which is actually crazy, guys. 20 emails got labeled and it didn't spend anything at all. But let's head back to our email and let's refresh the page and look at this right here. It automatically labeled all of our emails, guys. So we have the action required section, the inquiry, the newsletter, the receipts, the return, the spam/junk, the system notifications, and the urgent. And if we click on these right now, we can see that it literally labeled it into its own section. And it's the exact same for every single one, just like this, guys. And once again, if you want this workflow starting at $7 plus all my other workflows, and press the first link in the description down below, and you'll be able to sell this to businesses for $5,000, guys, because it's going to save them hours of their time. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and comment down below what AI automations you want to see me build next. And real quick, guys, I'm sorry I forgot about this, but if we head back here, this is the prompt that we're using for our AI agent, because if you're building this at home, you'll probably need it. But here it is right here. You can literally just copy it. And here's the system message down here as well. You can literally just copy this whole entire thing. But guys, don't forget to press this video on the screen right now, and I'll see y'all later. Peace out.